450. I only need 400. So you don't actually... Okay, hold on. That's pretty good then. If you don't have to complete every single one of them to get the next tier, does that mean you can just complete a certain amount and then go for whatever is better and then, you know, be happy? Is that a thing? Not gonna work though on that. I need either to hit stronger, which is not gonna work that well. And we also have this problem with this one. Does that count as using a sleep arrow? No, it doesn't. You have to hit him with the charge up move. Does it count for each hit? It does. Okay. That's not that bad then. There. I would assume to get master you need to do all of them, but do they recycle the quest is what I'm saying. Like if I turn this in right now, would it make me do the Elder Oak log again but with like 10 instead of 5, or would it just go down the list? I'm assuming it'll go down the list because I mean there's already things under the list, so.